Okay, we're coming up onto the last chapter here for the wastewater collection. Before we get to that, we're just going to add some terms and statements that pertain to the wastewater treatment. The term preliminary treatment always precedes municipal wastewater treatment facilities designed to remove or reduce in size the large solids, grease, scum, and grit. Tertiary treatment. Not all wastewater treatment facilities have this stage of treatment. Primary treatment. Flow velocity is slowed so that solids settle or float to the surface to allow it to be removed and pumped to sludge handling facilities. Will remove 40 to 60% of the suspended solids and will remove 30 to 40% of the BOD. Lagoon treatment. Require a large amount of land and less effective during winter months. Secondary treatment. Removes 80 to 99% of the BOD and suspended solids. Aeration tanks are used in this stage. Chlorine contact chambers. Disinfection occurs here. Comminution. Large particles removed from the wastewater by chopping or shredding. Common methods of disposal of sludge. Spread on agricultural land or landfilled or composted. Secondary clarifiers. Settles out the activated sludge and suspended material. Mixed liquor sent to secondary clarifiers. Mixture of wastewater and microorganisms. Air bacterial mass. Must be added to aeration tanks and carefully monitored. Grit channels. The location where grit, sand, stones, gravel is removed. Phosphorus. Promotes algae growth. Disinfection. Also occurs during secondary treatment. Aerated lagoons, trickling filters, rotating biological contractors, RPDs. Secondary treatment methods also used in Ontario other than activated sludge. And that was the terms and statements, like I said, pertaining to the wastewater treatment. Wastewater collection. What is the purpose of wastewater collection and how is it accomplished? Answer. Wastewater collection systems transport potentially hazardous materials in a safe manner through sanitary sewers for treatment and disposal. What is the main objective of wastewater collection operators and how does the operator achieve this? Answer. Operators of wastewater collection systems ensure that the flow of wastewater is not impeded. Operators operate lift stations, flush and clean sewers, remove debris from sewers, repair sewer lines, and regulate flow. Name 3 key problems with wastewater collection systems that wastewater collection operators must attempt to avoid and or actively manage. Answer. Sewer surcharges, infiltration, exfiltration, buildup of inorganic matter, production of hydrogen sulfide, blockages, and constrictions. Cross connections between storm and sanitary sewers help control the discharge of domestic and industrial waste and should be encouraged. True or false? The answer is false. Describe some of the main components of a wastewater collection system and describe its purpose. Answer. Main sewers transport waste from the branch sewers to larger trunk sewers. Lift stations are often necessary to raise the wastewater to a higher elevation. From a lift station, wastewater is pumped through a force main or pressurized pipe to a treatment facility or to an elevated gravity sewer. Discuss how sewer surcharging occurs and if they are important to manage, and if so, why. Answer: a surcharge occurs when a sewer is hydraulically overloaded, i.e., too much wastewater is trying to flow through a sewer, resulting in sewage backing up the collection system. A surcharge can result in the flooding of basements or the release of sewage through maintenance access points onto roads. Some of the contributing factors of surcharging are the inflow of surface water into sewers and the infiltration of groundwater through cracks in the sewer wall. Infiltration of groundwater can be a serious problem, resulting in the collection and treatment of much larger volumes of water than is necessary. List some factors that may contribute or cause sewer surcharging. Some of the contributing factors of surcharging are the inflow of surface water into sewers and the infiltration of groundwater through cracks in the sewer wall. Infiltration of groundwater can be a serious problem, resulting in the collection and treatment of much larger volumes of water than is required. Describe how hydrogen sulfide might build up in sewers. Why can this be a problem? Answer: buildup of organic materials may result in the production of hydrogen sulfide, H2S, and other potentially dangerous gases. These gases not only produce an unpleasant odor, but can also cause, corrosion of sewer lines. When operating wastewater collection facilities, operators must be aware of the potential toxic or explosive hazards of these gases. List 4 types of alternate wastewater collection systems. For each type, cite one unique characteristic. Answer: septic tank effluent gravity system. Sewage flows by gravity and is well suited for areas of low to moderate relief. Septic tank effluent pump system. A pressurized system using pumps to pump effluent. Grinder pump system. Sewage is ground by grinder pump and discharged to a low pressure sewer system. Vacuum sewer system. Uses the suction of a vacuum to draw and transport wastewater. And that is all the chapters for the operator and training study guide. That's right here. Operating Training Study Guide, Introduction to Water and Wastewater Operations. And it says Ontario Municipal Water Association. And this is for if you want to take the test for the water and wastewater treatment operator. And hope this is, I hope it's been pleasant for everybody. This is my first time making videos, so please bear with me. Any negative comments, leave them at the door, and hopefully this is of some use and value to somebody down the road that is going to be taking the test, like I'm going to be doing in the very near future. Thank you, and have a good day.